Hey guys, it's Big Red here. Just wanted to do a little video of a little bit of a side park that I take my dogs to. Anyway, maybe you get a little bit of ASMR with some of the natural stuff going on here. It's a beautiful, beautiful day today. It's not too hot yet. It's about 11 in the morning. Let's check out this view. A little bottle in there, a little pollution. Yeah. So this is a little stream. You see the mountains there. It's a pretty cool spot. Here's my doggy. I better go. She's gonna jump in the water if I wait too long here. Okay. Just gonna walk. It's Murray. Guys. No trespassing. No trespassing. There's a little side thing. If we can get some sounds. Come on. They love hiking and stuff. Pods. Yeah, I'm just trying to get you guys some sounds. Maybe some jingles from the dogs. I wish this was my backyard, but it's just the side space in this office building. But it's perfect for the dogs. People are like, what is this guy doing? Hurry, boy. What are you doing? What are you doing? Is it hot? Are you hot, buddy? Get hot. Hopefully they didn't beat her or anything. Come on, guys. My little slice of paradise over here, guys. Hopefully you guys can hear the grass. Hope you guys are having a great day. Appreciate you guys. Go down here a little bit. I'm jealous of these houses here. The beach is right over there, pretty close. Yeah. That's Mount Olamana, the little one. And then that's the Ko'olau mountain range over there. There's two big mountain ranges on this island. The Ko'olau and the Waianae mountain ranges. They span almost across the whole island. This is the windward side. It's the windward side. The windward side. Make fun to go out. These little boats. Yeah, so that's Olamana. This little guy right here. guys, I just wanted to do a quick little video of kind of one of our walks. We go a bunch of different places, but this one's kind of cool because I don't have to worry about them. They can run free, you know, all along this area. Maybe we can get some noises, some natural wood noises. You guys coming? It's a little bit warm, so they like the shade. Murray likes the shade right there. Yeah. Well, guys. Yeah, that's Olamana right there. It's like a Bob Ross painting with that big tree right there. Mount Olamana, the three peaks. You can hike on the three peaks. 1, 2, and there's the third one. Sorry. I can't do it like this. There's three peaks. You guys can see it. Like 1, 2, 3. Anyway. Sorry, guys. I'll do a closer picture one day, maybe. Let's see if they follow me. Guys. Alright, I don't want to get too sunburned today, but let's shake this tree here. I don't know if you can get ASMR from that, but sorry guys, it's just an idea. Hope you guys enjoy the view. Here comes Murray. See if he gets the zoomies. He gets the zoomies really easily sometimes, but I don't want to wear him out today. It's too hot. I don't want to overheat him. We only done half of our walk and he's already panting. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys got some rest today. I hope you guys can take it easy. Don't worry about too much stress today. If you are, I wish you the best. And I hope you have less stress. And hopefully, just put yourself on top of a mountain. Meditate a little bit. I used to live in a neighborhood below that mountain. And the neighborhood was called Olamana, just like the mountain. It was very peaceful over there. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Get this mountain range real quick again. I'm probably about 5 miles away from the mountain. You know, they look big from here, but compared to Washington or the Rocky Mountains, Colorado, they're just foothills. These are basically foothills. The highest it goes is 2,000 feet. Maybe that's like 2,500 to 3,000 kilometers high. Or not kilometers. I can't remember. Now I sound stupid. Feet though. About 2,000 feet, the highest point of those mountains. Anyway, someone let me know how many feet that is. I mean, feet. The sun must be getting how many kilometers? Or meters, I guess it's just meters. So yeah, sorry. Probably around 3,000 meters to 2,500 meters. Hello, meters. Hello, hello. Kilometers and meters, kilometers. Is it kilometers or kilometers? I've heard both. But I'm American, so we say feet and miles, of course, for all you international folks. Anyway, I'm gonna get these guys some water. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Hope you guys can enjoy some nature sounds.